This is the elevator at Falkoner Kollegiet in Frederiksberg, Denmark. This is a Schindler 3300 with the FIGL touch buttons. This is my first time seeing touch buttons on any sort of Schindler. Anywhere in the world, for that matter. The buttons in here don't light up very brightly, unfortunately, but they're touch buttons. This panel's obviously not in great shape because it's a door, basically, but I can't believe I found one of these. Was not expecting to find one of these here. Doesn't run the best. It's a dorm now. Glad to see this still here though. We're at 5. Back to 0. Doesn't say what out here. Inspection doesn't 2006. You can saw in 2006. It's a basic Schindler style cab. I think there's something about like visitor info, but I can't read it because it's not English. Go back to 0. Touch sensitive Schindler's counters. Yeah, some like college dorm, I think.